Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education. When rationalization consider dona part 2 video niya. Part 1 in len lochuan, part 1 in ananga just for your understanding. A basic concepts tay shiaula what a radical radicand degree conjugate ti tay poimoa. So Amamin and lochuan in entay. Based on those concepts, hey examples po ka solve. Video start mine. Song ka suggest to Joe Gym Class Heroes Stereo Hertz line ngait langa. If I was just not just to whack around a shelf would supply me from play me like everybody else di khania amoy lutuk anna lutuka ngait late. So tuna video can start to dona cautions te kan practice langa. Video hi trying ti chuan in like nga channel in la subscribe lo chuan in subscribe don ya. Avoina cautions can practice dona cautions chado the way exam aron chuak china etiang cautions temo write the reciprocal of 5 plus root 2. If x equals to root 2 minus 1, then what is the value of 1 by x? Tiang cautions tapoi in mutonga x equals to 2 plus root 3 niya x plus 1 by x ang tia find out turunge titemo tiang hi kan solve nga shortcut chon short trick po ka shel don cho mo rough copy in colchon tikhan rough copy in bula daula pahata ten cautions can solve so the caution number 1 hemi hi nia hemi rule hi in shia tangai a plus b chon c plus d hemi chu in shia tro a le c can multiply trina so a multiplied by c a le d can multiply trina a multiplied by d chumizwa b le c can multiply trina b multiplied by c chona topa b le d can multiply trina so b multiplied by d hemi chu basic most basic ani hemi chu in shianga khami kha kan mangdona we will solve these quotients. Okay, so 4 plus root 7 multiplied by 3 plus root 2 the quotient LDC UDC paper aka solve to so this is important. An example hey exam are on chuak theya but we cannot predict in which exam it is going to be asked. Enge kan rule ka hemi le hemi can multiply trin a le c can multiply so 4 multiplied by 3 chumizwa 4 multiplied by root 2 so 4 multiplied by root 2 tihan kan ziak trina plus root 7 multiplied by 3 chu 3 root 7 plus root 7 le root 2 engtin ke kan multiply don root 7 multiplied by root 2 so root om ve a chumi wangjon root pakhat lian kan ziak te a chona chunga 7 multiplied by 2 kan te entirnan root 3 multiplied by root 7 multiplied by root 6 chulo nita se atapo hian enge kan ti don root se do kan ziak dona chumi za chunga 3 7 and 6 tihan kan ziak thin chon kan ziak theibok long root chon anwaya 7 le 2 engzang nge 7 multiplied by 2 chu 14 and 3 na tihan kan solve to 4 multiplied by 3 12 ania plus 4 root 2 plus 3 root 7 plus a root 14. This is the answer for the first question. Tuna part 2 hi kan solve dona hemi po hi rough copy anang manin try ve photula video hi post hinu lama chimizwa try ula inti dik chon nang mani in lom don nang mani in lom jok don tin hai chu inti dik lo chuan video hi in resume don ya so school zirlai no pangtatan pon video beneficial don tuk so tir train top lane ananga you should know all the concepts related to this type of questions problems so ama sabera hemi 3 hi hemi bracket ne nen kan deal trin tro kan multiply trin so 3 multiplied by 5 engzat nge so panga ania chon engsign nge minus tro hemi plus sign in da nge adik ngai melo ni hemi plus sign te ju hemi root 3 ta zo khilom in shatia root 3 ta nia tayan minus kan dang 3 multiplied by root 2 chu 3 root 2 ani don tuna hemi plus root 3 hi hemi bracket ne kan multiply dona bracket chunga mi number stanen kan multiply dona so root 3 multiplied by 5 chu 5 root 3 chumizwa hey sign minus oma tan minus kan da dona 3 root 3 le root 2 kan multiply chun engzat nge root amapon ka sei to 3 multiplied by 2 chu engzat 6 ania so this is our answer. Hemi ayan aju we cannot simplify this further so this is our answer. 15 minus 3 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus root 6 hemi can answer. Tuna hemi quotient hi mo quotient number 3 hi can solve root 5 minus 2 chumizwa root 3 minus root 5 hey a le c can multiply trina hemi root 5 le hemi bracket chunga mi numbers te kan deal patanga root 5 multiplied by root 3 chu root 15 chumizwa minus root 5 le root 5 chu engzat nge ka mapon ka saito root 5 multiplied by root 5 chu engzat root 25 throw. So 25 is a perfect square. So what is the square root of 25 tichon? Panga anitrin. Ba ka hemi hi hatizia akhar pongai lawa root le root anin cancel de zela in cancel poni chuang lo and then 5 raised to the power 1 by 2 nia multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1 by 2 nia hemi 1 by 2 ko tring a local tichon square root hi tihian kan ziak trina chon a exponent hey base anin ang draw 5 le 5 ania chumi function 5 hi voi khat tihian kan ziak thea chon an raised to the power an exponent at tihian raised to the power kan danga 1 by 2 le 1 by 2 chu enge half le half chu pakhatania 5 raised to the power 1 chu 500. This is the reason a video masa po khan hemi chu ka explain to ka sai to hemi hi tahian enge kan zia don 5 kan zia kang tuna minus 2 anetro minus 2 le root 3 ang zat nge kan multiply chan minus 2 root 3 chumza minus 2 le minus root 5 ang zat nge minus le minus chu plus ani thin ani chumi function tahian plus kan zia kanga chon 2 le root 5 kan multiply chon 2 root 5. This is our answer. Tuna hemi question kan solve hemi question nang mani pon triula rough copy. What is the reciprocal of hemi question ni exam alo chuakta so what is the reciprocal of 5 plus root 2? Okay, and then x equals to 5 plus root 2 lo nita se enge a reciprocal of so letting hey 1 by 4 makan ziak 1 by x enge. What is the reciprocal of 5 tichon? 1 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 6 tichon? 1 by 6. Hemi reciprocal ania 1 by x form akan ziak de zela that is reciprocal. So 5 plus root 2 ania tro hemi enge a reciprocal tichon 1 by 5 plus root 2. Tuna kan concept kange ka a conjugate tan kan ziak trina 5 minus root 2 conjugate degree le radicand tite initiate lo chon video mas zo kain andonia link description akalo dang so tahana conjugate in kan multiply trina chon kan divide trin achunga chon engma po kan boy pui don lo 5 ane tro so 5 minus root 2 maseng anwa ya hen eng 4 mange hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia anin karang sang nge a plus b chon a minus b so hemi initiang atro a plus b multiplied by a minus b hemi enge formula a square minus b square hemi identity chu nang mani initiate nge ngai nya so tan kan zia kanga a square minus b square a square enge a square chu 5 square nya so 5 square minus b square enge b square chu root 2 square nya so 5 square is how much 25 root 2 square is how much 2 so 25 for train pani kan page 23 na tro hey so what is the answer 5 minus root 2 divided by 23 hemi answer tuna hemi question kan solve lenga questions chumo kan nei tam tu if you solve all these questions then definitely in exam achon in the chadon lu to rationalization big tahian hemi question yan la if x is root 2 minus 1 if x is root 2 minus 1 1 by x enge ani don 1 by x chu 1 by root 2 minus 1 ani dona enge a conjugate ti chon root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 initiatiam dro tuna hemi le hemi kan multiply nga denominator hemi uluk tawin ngai tlaula hemi shortcut ani hian ru short trick mo eng point thai andru after multiplying these two denominators if we get 1 mo pakhat kan mu ve chuan hemi hi a conjugate answer ani mai omzia chu kashilang chau hemi a nia hemi b nia hey 1 hi b nia hemi poi a nia hemi b nia so anin kara minus le plus sign oma a minus b multiplied by a plus b chu a square minus b square ani trina tron in shiatiam turchu in ashiatreng turchu hey a square is root 2 square minus b square is 1 square tuna root 2 square nge root 2 square chu 2 ani trina 1 square chu 1 and trina and difference 1 tro 1 difference ani ve chuan mo a conjugate always the answer will be the conjugate root 2 plus 1 hemi hi in shia tareng turani tuna example pakhat tahian ka shille chonga entirnan tahian 2 minus root 3 ni ta se enge answer enge rationalized form ti taila answer will be 2 plus root 3 always mo maseng engtika kan check photang hemi poi molu to kan hemi concept mo hemi trick hi in shia chuan second khachungin answer lo chuak zel don so enge conjugate 2 plus root 3 nya heta poyan 2 plus root 3 kan multiply train tro kan multiply train chuan kan divide train so at denominator hi product 1 ani which one answer will be always conjugate hemi line hi remember line tluaka daula so kan chekanga hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia so a minus b le a plus b chu ange multiplied nuwa a square minus b square entry na so tahian 2 plus root 3 ani dona divided by a square is how much 2 square b square is how much root 3 square so 2 square is 4 root 3 square is 3 so 4 minus 3 chu 1 ani tro so 1 aron chu away chuan always the conjugate will be the answer tiang ko shani lekin aron alawlom le zel dona ka shel zel ang chau ahman huntur pakhat atop nan vai khatchia example pakhat chia tahian kaziak lenga entirnan 1 divide aduchan adang pot thawila root 5 divided by 4 minus root 15 titaila hemi enge a simplified form ti chon mo always the answer will be root 5 chon 4 plus root 15 nga tinga 4 plus hemi answer ni mai maseng nga tinga enge a reason chu hey a conjugate zi akilamo tahian 4 plus root 15 hemi thili poi mo ta menio 4 plus root 15 tuna a denominator hi kan solve nga hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia a minus b chon a plus b form ma so a square minus b square kan chekang a square nge 16 b square nge 15 hey one tro difference if the difference is 1 always the conjugate will be the answer baseng he tahian enga mani omjon kami hoju ama hian kan ziak zelang antinan tahian root 71 chunita se hatan root 71 tan kan dang initiate turju chu a conjugate le anwai mi pani kan multiply nga 1 alo chua ve chuan the conjugate will be the answer baseng ama hian enga mani number numerator omjon kami hoju conjugate nen kan ziak tel zelang kami hoju quite obvious tuna hemi kan solvang andru tapo hian hey 2 ania hemi root 3 nia shia thiam tum halula in practice na satlu tuk chanwa in shathiam hal don hemi 2 nia hemi root 3 nia so kan square nuwa conjugate nen kan square chon enge 1 alo chuak don mi poi in shia tu so if x equals to 2 plus root 3 so what will be the value of 1 by x and root all sum total tungnang manitan what 2 plus root 3 netro enge ka soi zo chi ha a conjugate nen kan multiply anga chon kan divide bokang hey if after multiplying these two numbers if the difference is 1 hemi ji answer ni my 1 by x value chu ni my hemi conjugate 2 square chu 4 ania root 3 square chu 3 ania so 4 minus 3 is 1 so kan ziak direct top tai ti han mo 2 minus root 3 in jetia tuna x plus 1 by x chuang a value 2 plus root 3 chon 2 minus root 3 root 3 le minus root 3 and cancel so 2 plus 2 is 4 this is our final answer hemi gan solve hemi tlemin bitam takan buai me te ta hian if x equals to 3 haulu to 3 plus 2 root 2 tro hemi value of x and each one you have to find out the value of root x minus 1 by root x hemi exam alo chuak ta se motor lom sen ting entia and x omatro so definitely we should know the value of x chuan if 1 by x oma omze chu 1 by root x another array lote tan 1 by x angin ngaila 100% value of 1 by x po kan shiat ngai ta hen nge kan tia hai 1 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2 anetro achan chu x an wayam to ta po yan anula a conjugate nen multiply lo all answer kan ziak direct thai ta po yan 3 minus 2 root 2 aniton why because 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 ania chon a conjugate nen multiply la chon a conjugate hemi trick in she chon hetia ziawak wak po hi ngai lo kan ziak direct pop thai ta hian 3 minus 2 root 2 tuna a square nge 3 nia so 3 square is 9 minus b square nge b square is 2 root 2 root 2 square nge ti chon 8 anishin so 9 minus 8 chu pakhatania so kasoi zo chia denominator mi product pani kan multiply nuwa te an chu kan multiply nuwa 1 alo chua ve chuan hemi 3 plus 2 root 2 hi hetan kan ziak maseng minus kan dang a conjugate kan dang tu na chuan all vector hemi value hitro kan find out tur chu so root x minus 1 by root x enge a whole square ti chuan enge x plus 1 by x minus 2 adikam x plus 1 by x yange hey tan x plus 1 by x 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 minus 2 root 2 2 root 2 le minus 2 root 2 ju kan cancel anga so what will be the value 6 ani don so x plus 1 by x chu a value 6 ani dona tahian kanda de yang x plus 1 by x sin 6 kanda to chuan 6 minus 2 angzat ngati jun pali ani thin adikam adik chiang duktro chumizwa root x minus 1 by root x if this square is 4 ani chun enge square root ani don tahian 2 ani ang chu so our answer the answer of this question will be root x minus 1 by root x will be how much 2 we can answer SSC vela ama banking vela ron chuak thina tiang question he tuna question number 3 hemi can simplify le dona hemi poiraf copy solve zelula 11 plus root 11 multiplied by 11 minus root 11 tahin shi athiam tumula hemi a ania hemi b ania hemi a ania hemi b ania so enge eng form angem a plus b or a plus b chon a minus b form what is the formula a square minus b square adiktro so simple the win a enge 11 square is how much 11 square minus root 11 square another b square chu root 11 square nia so square in square in thiam chon 121 and shina minus root 11 square chu 11 so zale som animaya hemi chu tuna hemi can solve lenga question number 2 he can solve anga ta hian color ka thlak lokanga yes question hemi 1 ti hian ti lama tuna 2 ta hian ka solve anga 5 plus root 7 chen multiplied by 5 minus root 7 hemi po hi in thlu aka calculate through atia kan calculate an kan sharing tro hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia chanan anin kara plus le minus oma so a square minus b square kan mangdona a enge 5 square on chu a square chu 5 square nia 5 square is how much 5 square minus b square enge ti chon root 7 square 5 square chu 25 ani thina chon root 7 square chu tiza tinya 25 atangin pasari kan pechon engzat nge som pariati kan answer tuna question number hemi kan solve pathum nai kan solve andro third hi engtin nge enge root 8 minus root 2 multiplied by root 8 plus root 2 heta poyan hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia maths thiamin chakla tuk chon practice charchar ne mai a square chu root 8 square ania so tihian kan zia kanga b square chu root 2 square so enge answer ni don root 8 square chu 8 ania root 2 square chu 2 nia 8 train pani pe chu paruk 6 will be the answer tuna palina entinan tapo hian plus lo ta se hemi ju in shianga tro a square plus b square plus 2ab hemi formula kan mangdei dona maseng hata minus oma so enge formula ka a square minus b square a square is how much 3 square is 9 minus b square is how much 3 roots 3 square ania so root 3 square is 3 so 9 train pathum pechon paru hemi kan answer ni dona tuna question number hemi part 5 can solve lenga heta hian root 5 ania tro minus root 2 chimza root 5 ania plus root 2 heta po hian hemi a nia hemi b nia hemi a nia hemi b nia anin kara minus oma chon foikat plus oma what is the formula ti chon a square minus b square in jetiam tro so a square is root 5 square minus b square is root 2 square root 5 square chu 5 ania root 2 square chu 2 ania panga train pani pe chu pathum hetiza hemi initiate tangai initiate nge turni tuna question number 4 hemi poi solve lo ila a plus b whole square form ania hemi root 3 ania plus root 7 hemi a square ania hemi initianga a plus b whole square is what a square plus b square plus 2ab emo mitam takin ti hian an ziak trina anirang ve so hemi kan solve after solving enge kan mudon a square is root 3 square plus b square is root 7 square plus 2ab 2 multiplied by a is root 3 b is root 7 tuna root 3 square enge ti jon pathum root 7 square enge ti jon pasari 2 multiplied by root say vedo kan zia kanga achunga 3 multiplied by 7 to 21 pathum le pasari chu so meta hian som kan zia and this is the answer chimizwa chuanin hemi question kan solve hemi hi comment section la lo ziak te lo answer te comment section hemi question hi true na hi so 2 na hi root 5 minus root 3 square hemi hi comment section alo answer ula answer in lo tum don ya tuna asan ju kai ma charchar in ka solve te nanu am leina na mari pon solve ula ka du lo tuna question number 3 hi on ju part number 3 kan solve 2 root 5 heta hen 2 root 5 ya plus 3 root 2 hemi hi whole square nga ti chon tahan kan solve nga tihan a is how much a is 2 root 5 anetro b is how much 3 root 2 so a square plus b square plus 2ab hemi form hanoma a is 2 root 5 whole square plus b is 3 root 2 whole square plus 2 multiplied by a enge 2 root 5 anya b enge 3 root 2 tuna hemi kan solve nga engte solve tur nga hemi 2 root 5 square chu 2 square 4 anya chen root 5 square anga ti chen 5 anya so kan multiply nga 20 plus chu tiang bok chen 3 root 2 square voi kar 3 square anga 9 anya chen multiplied by root 2 square chu 2 anya 9 multiplied by 2 chu som pariat plus tahian rational numbers how hi kan multiply for 3 na 2 multiplied by 2 4 anya 4 multiplied by 3 exact nge 12 anya chumizwa hey root 5 le root 2 chu tian root bar say vedo kan ziak nga chon 5 multiplied by 2 because both 5 and 2 are under the square root tuna som nile som pariat chu som thum pariatania plus 12 root 10 hemi can answer tiang question hi exam alo chuak na satro tun lai chu LDC UDC ti vela mu tur tama hemi poi practice 3 plus root 2 rangdamin ka ti don nang nipon video mas zo kainan to chuan intan chuan all sum to don lu tuka chumi wangchon ka ti pop dona hindu chon short note in siam tai 3 minus root 2 divided by a square is 3 square 9 b square is root 2 square chu 2 9 train pani pe chu 7 so this is the answer chu tiang bok chuan 2 na hi 1 by root 6 ka sai zo chi atro hey undifference unsquare difference and conjugate nen multiply nuwa 6 minus 5 achuak don an 1 achuak atro chumi wangchon hemi direct in kan ziak thai its answer will be root 6 plus root 5 kan direct pop thai hemi masa poilo ta po hian step by step ka solve sakang cheu a conjugate ne tan root 6 plus root 5 ania chon root 6 plus root 5 hemi a square minus b square form auma a square chu root 6 square anetro b square is root 5 square tuna root 6 square chu 6 root 5 square chu 5 paru ka train panga pe chu pakhatania so what will be the answer hetan wa han pakhat kan zia kang ta 1 am dona so its answer will be how much root 6 plus root 5 a video trying teach one in like nge donya mo in like chen atravea katan pon tuna hemi question kan solve dana a conjugate kan ziak train abak chu engma po boy pui ngai lo nia 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5 what is the conjugate here conjugate chu 5 root 3 plus ani 3 na root 3 root 5 divided by tiang che chen anwaya po hian kan zia kanga ti hian in je tiam dro achunga mi chu kan khoidang lam don lo mo achunga mi chu eng ma po rational po ni se irrational po ni se eng tin ma kan ti tura ni lo wa anwaya mi kan boi pi do anwaya nge om a square minus b square form oma what is a chu 5 root 3 but what is a square ti chuan 5 root 3 square minus what is b square ti chuan 3 root 5 square tuna 5 root 3 square hi ang tin nge kan solve ang 5 root 3 square chu voikat 5 square chu 25 ania multiplied by root 3 square chu pathum ani trin so 75 ani tro heta hian 75 kan ziak dona 75 kan ziak ang chu tiang bok chuan hemi poi kan solve lenga hey 3 root 5 square anga ti chuan 3 root 5 square anga ti chuan voikat pathum square kan ziak anga 9 multiplied by root 5 square chu panga ani trin 9 multiplied by 5 chu 45 ani tro tahian hemi ai hian anga kan zia dan 45 kan zia kang somsari panga atangin voikat ka ziak thanga somsari panga train somli panga tro so 75 atangin claim te vede in ka ziak duwa chimi function ya 45 so and ruta hian somsari panga trangin somli panga pe chu somthum ania tro anhuai mi somthum le achunga mi somthum kan cancel theidona ta hian he divided by somthum ania tro anhuai mi le achunga mi kan cancel what is our final answer chu 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 hemi kan answer ni shati ma tuna hemi second question ni kan solvenga 1 divided by 2 root 5 minus root 3 a conjugate conjugate chu 2 divided by 2 root 5 plus root 3 okay hemi poi kan solve achumi chu dhian engma kan khoidang lamdon lowa plus root 3 divided by anwaya a square chu 2 root 5 square chun b square chu root 3 hata po root 3 dawla hi hata po root 3 om ngai so root 3 square ania tuna 2 root 5 square is how much voi khat 2 square 4 kan zia kanga chen root 5 square chu 5 ania so 20 tro so 20 hatan kan zia kanga hey hemi ai hian tapan root 3 tura 2 root 5 plus root 3 divided by enge 20 kan zia kanga minus root 3 square chu obviously 3 nia 20 train pathum page tan ka zia kanga so can solve 2 root 5 plus root 3 divided by som pasari hemi can answer ni don tuna hemi can solve lenga question number 6 nahi root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 3 ania what is the conjugate chu 2 root 2 plus root 3 ania conjugate divided by a conjugate bokin kan divide 3 na tihian in shatian achungami chu la boy pui ri loila achungami chu tihian as it is tihian kan zia kanga chan 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by tuna hemi a nia hemi a square minus b square form ania 2 root 2 square chu anga ti chan 2 root 2 square minus root 3 square tapo hian root 3 plus 1 ania chuan in rough copy a solve zelula chulo chu in n mai me chu omziam lo 2 root 2 square chu 8 ania minus root 3 square chu pathum ani trin so ta hian kan ziak nga pathum tuna pariya ta tangin pathum kan pe chuan engzat nge panga ani dona chuan hemi hi chunga kan multiply ang root 3 voi khat 2 root 2 le root 3 nen kan multiply nga so root 3 multiplied by 2 root 2 chumizwa root 3 multiplied by root 3 chumizwa hemi 1 le achunga mi 1 multiplied by 2 root 2 chu tizatinya 1 multiplied by root 3 chu root 3 in shadia ma tra chon anwa jon 5 form don tuna root 3 le root 2 kan multiply jon root 6 ani dona chumi wang jon tahian 2 root 6 kan ziak chumizwa root 3 le root 3 kan multiply jon root 3 square is how much 3 ania tok abak chueng ma po kan boy pu turan tolo kan answer ran chuak to this is the final answer hemi question poi kan solve hemi question hi tian practice tan mo nang manin try ula practice nang manin try ula in shia thiam lo chuan ke ma hi milo zot da ne khoya whatsapp answer in find out telo chuan answer chu tan ka zia sak thau chaunga hemi answer hi answer of question number 7 will be how much 17 minus 12 root 2 in shia mem chu tiang bok chuan 8 nahi mo hemi 8 nahi answer will be 6 root 10 plus 9 root 2 plus 2 root 5 plus 3 divided by 11 chunza questions tu chu tam lu tuk mo I in du chuan ani mai in practice du chuan ani mai ei na china shortcut ka soi ka kan se ang ta hian short trick ka soi khamo ta hian kan shilang cheu enru hemi question hi in entro a denominator hi enge 3 le 2 nia a conjugate nen multiply la enge ni don root 3 square chu 3 ani don atro root 2 square chu 2 ani don 1 ani atro and difference so enge answer ni don answer of this question will be direct kanzia kang hemi conjugate hi tahian kanzia kang root 3 minus root 2 maseng numerator apo hemi thil hi oma chumi function tahian tihian kanzia kang so root 3 minus root 2 square is how much 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 3 into root 2 so 5 minus 2 root 6 hemi answer in shatia ma'am root 3 square minus root 2 square nge 1 ya chutiang bok chon heta po hian anula 7 square nge 49 minus 4 root 3 square nge ti chon 4 square chu 16 ania root 3 square chu 3 ania 16 le pathum kan multiply chon somli pariyata ni trin tro hai one difference ania one difference ani ve chuan hemi conjugate thi achunga kan ziak trina mo ti hian kan ziaka chon a numerator mi hi chu ti hian kan ziak trin hey ti hian tuna also then kan multiply nga 5 multiplied by 7 35 chu tiang bok chon minus 5 multiplied by 4 root 3 chu 20 root 3 chumiza 2 root 3 multiplied by 7 chu 14 root 3 nia chuan 2 root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3 chu exact nge ni don 8 root 3 into root 3 root 3 into root 3 chu exact nge 3 ania pariyat le pathum multiply chu 24 ania somthum panga atangin 24 kan pe chon som pakhat ania so som pakhat minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 tuna 20 root 3 le 14 root 3 minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 chu exact nge minus 6 root 3 minus 6 root 3 this is our answer 11 minus 6 root 3 initiative mga tro tiambok chon hemi po hi enru 3 square nge 9 minus 2 root 2 square nge ti chon 8 ania so anin kara difference 1 ene thro so anwaya mi hi a conjugate tan kanzia kanga 3 plus 2 root 2 direct in chon numerator ange of 1 plus root 2 initiative mem tuna 1 le 3 gan multiply 3 1 le 2 root 2 gan multiply 2 root 2 root 2 le 3 gan multiply 3 root 2 chuan topa root 2 le 2 root 2 kan multiply 2 multiplied by root 2 le root 2 root 2 le root 2 kan multiply jon 2 ani dona 2 le 2 kan multiply jon 4 ani dona 4 le pathum kan bel jon pasari ani dona jon 2 root 2 le 3 root 2 exact nge kan bel jon 5 root 2 this is the answer inshatiam tihian kan solve turne tuna hemi poi kan solve nga hemi poi mitam takin mo buena nutrient le min a complex melu tu ka tiang ya sei alien loma so tapo hian achunga 2 root 6 kan zia ka minus root 5 divided by a conjugate kan zia ka nga achunga po kan multiply nga chuan anwai apo kan multiply ang he anru achunga 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 ania divided by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 a conjugate nen kan multiply tinai chu numerator chula boy puri lawila 2 root 6 minus root 5 mo chuan 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 la boy pui lawang numerator chu anwai me boy pui phatila no anwai nge rationalization yang yomzia anwai me shim complex number imaginary number titamo irrational numbers takha rational number akan convert china chumi chu rationalization ya chumi wangjon denominator hi kan solve patanga a square minus b square form am letwa so a square is how much a square is 3 root 5 square minus 2 root 6 square b square chu 2 root 6 square ne tuna 3 root 5 square chu exact nge 3 square chu 9 ania multiplied by root 5 square chu 5 ania so 45 thro chu tiambok chon 2 root 6 square exact nge dichon 2 square chu 4 ania root 6 square chu 6 ania 24 so tan kan ziak theya 45 minus 24 tan kan ziak theya 45 minus 24 45 minus 24 numerator chu ka ziak photanga ta hian 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 chuan hnuai ange kha 45 minus 24 45 atang 24 kan pe chuan 21 bang dona tuna hemi hi kan solve anga mitam taka tleman boy ve thina sei ve do wangin so 2 root 6 minus root 5 chuan bracket 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6 ania tuna hemi engtin nge kan solve wangan ru emi poi rule chungai renga eng madang lam lo amasa 2 root 6 le 3 root 5 kan multiply nga chumizwa 2 root 6 le 2 root 6 kan multiply dona chumizwa minus root 5 le 3 root 5 kan multiply dona chumizwa minus root 5 le 2 root 6 kan multiply abak chu tian kan multiply nga hey 2 root 6 multiplied by 3 root 5 chu exact nge ni don 2 root 6 multiplied by 3 root 5 chu exact nge 2 3s are 6 and 6 root chunga 6 le 5 oma chumi wangjun 6 5s are 30 in shatia mem tihian 6 root 30 tan ka ziak nga 6 root 30 chumi swa 2 root 6 le 2 root 6 chu exact nge ni don 2 root 6 square ani dona 2 square chu 4 ania multiplied by root 6 square chu 6 ania tuna pali le paru kan multiply chun 24 in shatiam tro 20 tayan 24 tuna hemi chu kan buai pui to dan lo minus root 5 kan buai pui to dona heta minus root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5 exact nge root 5 le root 5 chu 5 ani trina so tayan 5 kan zia kang 5 le 3 kan multiply chun som panga in shatiam tro tiam bok chun minus root 5 le 2 root 6 kan multiply dona so minus root 5 chun 2 root 6 so root chunga engle enge root 5 le root 6 om tro so hemi hi root 30 kan di theya root 30 kan di thai enge om zia 2 root 30 so tahian 2 root 30 kan zia kanga heta po 6 root 30 oma heta po 2 root 30 oma om zia ber chu paru ka trangin hei pani kan minus ang 6 root 30 atangin 2 root 30 kan minus chon enge bang don 4 root 30 in shathiam tra 4 root 30 chon somni pali atangin sompanga kan pe chon exact nge 9 a remaining dona divided by hemi 21 ni heta hian kanda ang in shathiam this is the final answer hemi te pani hi nang mani in solvanga mo nang mani in solvanga answer chu tahan kazia kanga hey answer of 5 is 9 plus 4 root 6 divided by 15 hemi answer ni dona hemi answer hi answer of 6 will be 18 minus 4 root 6 plus 2 root 10 minus 3 root 15 divided by 19 hemi answer ni don okay so next video achuan hemi hi kan solve nge to nga mo heng hoi kan solve nge to don next video achuan video is say don lutuka so next video thengel mi alola chon video mas zog in len lo chon in en nge turani so next video akan mule thau don ya thank you